Mike, come on, talk to me. What's the problem?
For 2 days now, Billion has refused picking my calls. And she has not even called me either.
Okay. Have you tried finding out the reason?
How do you expect me to do that when she's not picking my calls?
You know where she lives now.
So you suggest I am back on such suicide mission?
How do you mean by suicide mission? Huh? Listen, Mike, this is time for you to prove your love to her and her parents. Okay? Make them understand the length you are willing to go just to have her. Come on.
See, the problem had never been doubting if I truly love their daughter. You understand? They already know that. But the problem here is my financial stability, which you know that is zero.
So, are you calling it a quit?
No, we can still see each other without me going to their house.
So, what about your intentions?
Anyway, God will help me. At least when I get to the bridge, He must surely show me how to cross it.
I hear you. It's okay. If you say so. Because it's only me that wait should have given you pictures. At least to listen to that
Go and come.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Fine, sir.
I mean, no need to ask. I can see you all happy. It's quite a joyful moment for you this morning.
Yes, okay. I'm a happy person now. Even if I get, I don't get. They're happy they do my work.
Of course, it should be like that. Happiness is good for the soul, you know. Well, I must say I heard your tune from here. This is quite funny tune. And stuff like that.
Yes, okay. That's why I like old days song. All this old papa song, 80s.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one of these days you entertain me with that, I guess.
Sure, now, I will do that. Anything, Aki them, any of them, most I will do it for you.
Well, myself, I'm a lover of good music.
Eh?
You know, you haven't noticed?
No.
Oh, really?
Okay, I will entertain you. At least I will give you that my
Oh no, not now. Much later. I'm just commending you for being happy regardless. I'll just go back to your duty.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I catch cruise from him. Okay, it's alright. I must commend you for making us happy, okay?
Thank you.
And I'm going to reward you for that.
Yeah? Thank you, sir.
Alright, you can go.
Thank you, sir.
And the fact is that he's an old man.
He's a clown.
Very big clown. A very big muggle.
But bro, where you get this guy from, sir?
Well, the bottom line is that we're catching crews. That's what matters.
Wow. Good night, sir. Good day, sir.
What are you doing in my compound?
Well, I came to see Lillian. I've been calling and
You shot that sticking cutter you compound. Now listen, how dare you? After all my warnings, you are still perambulating around my compound. I can see you are drained of all the milky juice in this empty skull. So after all my warnings, you are still perambulating around my compound looking for my daughter.
sorry, sir.
Papa, please calm down, eh? That's a strong word to use on another human.
Or will you shut your mouth? Now listen, if I hear pim again, what I will do to you, neighbors will wonder if actually I am your biological father. Now will you come and get inside the house? I said get inside. Hey, come. Next time, if I see you anywhere 200 kilometers around this compound, cut off this your miserable legs and throw it to the gods. Idiot. Hey, come back here. Come here! I said come here. I want to pose a question to you. Will it be a bad idea if Dangote's son or innocent son, Ini Edo, asked my daughter's hand in marriage? Will it be a bad idea?
So, it will be a very bad idea. No, it won't. It won't, sir.
Get out of my compound. Get out! Idiot. Let me not see you around here. Look at this idiot. Look at how he looks like Olagamo. Look at. And you.
I've been calling you the whole time. Mike, listen to me. Mike, I love you. My heart beats for you. And heaven bear me witness, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. But I'm not sure that our wishes can even come to pass. Look at what is happening. The pressure is too much.
Lillian, do not hurt the heart that cares for you. Please, do not walk behind me. My best friend, whom my heart lies on. Please do not give up on me.
I don't want to. I don't want to. I really want to be with you the whole time, but I can't go against my foundation. Maybe we're not meant to be together. Have a good life, Mike.
Lillian. Lillian. Lily. Lilia.
You see the game of love, it's just like a fire. It keep on burning until it burns itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say, where you are, it's where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs.
I'm sorry, Mike. I'm so sorry. This is not my fault. It's not. It hurts a lot to know that we have to go our separate ways. Deep down, my heart is broken. It's not my making. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
You see the game of love, it's just like a fire. It keep on burning until it burns itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say, where you are, it's where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. Whoa, in your hands, it's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. Whoa, if I'm to make another choice, I will choose another you. If I'm to be a queen, I won't think twice to make you my king. If I'm to describe you with only one word, I will say that you.
Come back to me, my love. Come back to me. I can sacrifice the world for you. Come back to me, my love. I can't afford to lose you. God. Could this be dream? God, please. Do not let this step away from me.
What could be the reason for 5 rivers combined, flowing from the eyes of my beautiful and irreplaceable daughter? Omalecha, what is the problem? Tell your mother. Mike has finally walked away, Mama. Sir, people like Mike are not worth your tears. You are a destined child. You are destined to be great. Mike will only ruin your future. No, Mama. No! The man you claim will ruin my future is the man who will make my future. Mama, I smile because I am with him. I am happy because I have Mike in my life. Why do you people want to take this happiness away from me? Why? I understand and I know you love Mike. There are things you need to know about this world. Let Mike go. Don't allow your past to ruin your future. In order to be successful in life, sacrifices must be made. You have just sacrificed Mike for a brighter future. Wipe your tears, my daughter. Please. The future holds better things for you. Please. Ebezina. I just wish I can end it now. And what? I just want to take my life, Mama. No. That is what you all want. This is the only man that gives me joy. Mama, he's the man who makes me happy. Tell me, Mama, were you not in love with Father before you got married to him? You had the experience and you were given liberty to express it. Why are you holding mine back? Why do you want to take my joy? Why do you want me to be unhappy? You are a mother. You should share in my pains. You should understand how I feel. I want the best for you. Then let me be with him, please. We want the best for you. That is why we want you to leave him. Please. You have to move on. Mike is not meant for you. Just hold me. Feel as if you are holding Mike. You will be stronger. You will stand it all. It's okay.
Mike. Mike. Why are you like this now? What happened?
Lillian.
What happened to Lillian?
Lillian has left me.
Well, you just have to take it as a challenge. Okay? You don't have to allow her the thought of her to ruin you, to break you like this. If she is truly a woman meant for you, she will be standing by your side. At least you'll fight this war. Look at you. Just take a look at you. My friend, you have to move on. This is not the end of the world. You're a strong man.
Jude, it's easy to say goodbye, but very hard to subdue the feelings. Very hard.
Just believe that you lost someone that was never yours. She wasn't meant for you.
Lillian has always been mine. I love her, and she loves me too.
Now let me tell you something. A man who said he never had a chance never took one. You know why? Because success comes to those who dare to begin. Okay? If you both truly love each other as you said, then move on. Don't give up on her even if she has. Yes.
My heart is not weak.
Then be brave and take what belongs to you, instead of sitting down here and be shedding tears like a woman. Yeah. Come on.
So, are you not insinuating that you are ordered at me by a white magic? So this one, eh? Is it because that you don't get to know? It is you see me? Come on, Kaleba. Why did you like this, sir? Why did you give me that? They give me that. So that's what you put on my bed. Yeah? 3 shots. Let's say, man, eh? Don't be salty. Don't be salty. Please, man. Come back. I don't tire. Say small, can I be going to go to the stop now. Bring a lot of you there outside. What me they care to talk about? Okay, come here with the not the first. Sir! Okay, they call me. Go away! Don't blame me.
I'm leaving this town soon.
To where?
I've not figured it out yet. You know, I just want to leave and make a change so I can take Lillian off my mind and start a new life, probably.
That's a very good idea. Yeah. Though I'm going to miss you.
I'm not living forever now. You can, I mean, once in a while you can visit. Yes.
Okay. But is she away? Who? Lillian, of course.
No. She's not.
Okay. There's a good idea. It's a very good idea. At least the most important thing there, just to go out there and make money. Explore.
Jude, I am going to make money in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I must make it.
Amen.
Just watch. I can hear game. I must make it. Oh.
I've always believed in you. I've always had this belief that there's something tangible about you. Forget about what you are passing through in this village.
I must make it, and I must work in Cheers International Company.
Amen.
Have you heard of that company before?
That oil company, the one.
Cheers International Company.
Yeah. This is the reward I promised you.
Okay, thank you. Francis, help me thank Oga. Help me thank Oga. Francis, help me thank Oga now.
Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? I heard you the first time. Don't be a dunce. Mugu.
Oga, I talk anything bad? Eh?
Don't worry, go.
My jealousy, the warrior.
Sister, what is it? Why are you doing this to yourself? Don't tell me you want to kill yourself over a man that is not worthy to provide your primary needs. No, hit your head on the wall. Kill yourself if that's going to make you happy. You need to be left alone, but you need to understand that you... Get out! Get out! I said you should leave here! Get out! Get out! Leave! Get out! Get out! Kill yourself! No, I'm okay. Kill yourself! Get out!
What's the meaning of that? Bro, huh?
How can you buy a phone more expensive to a common gate man? Eh? Compared to the one your blood brother is using? Draw man now.
Why are you acting jealous? Eh? If phone is your problem, you know if you tell me, there is no way I will not do it for you. Why are you acting as if I hate you?
Bro, I can't imagine myself using a downgraded phone. Okay? Just look at the one you bought for that common gate man. Or the mama.
So, what do you suggest I do now? Collect the phone from him?
Yes. Yes. Or better still, buy me a new phone. iPhone, Apple phone, a better phone. Not this phone.
Okay, go ahead, Madam Alex. What more? Your bride price.
What did you mean by that?
No, now, since you're now my wife, you now tell me what to do. So tell me more.
I am your younger brother, not your wife.
Now listen and listen good. I am not going to do it. Since you don't have manner of approach.
Did he just say that to me? Huh? Wait. Did he just say that to me? Owen! Owen!
Listen, Lillian is a very big problem to me in this house. There is no day that passes without Lillian committing one offense.
Papa, I have something very important to discuss with you. A very good suggestion.
You have a suggestion? Well, we are all ears.
Okay, see, Papa, I think it's high time we made plans for Sister Lillian to leave this town. Papa, because her current situation isn't getting encouraging. She's getting out of hand. Papa, the reason I'm saying this is because I know someday Sister Lillian will leave this house and can't live with that idiot.
I swear she dare not. If she tries me, that boy will rot in jail. Simple.
I buy Junior's suggestion. This is one good point I know he has ever made. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. We have to be precautious.
So where will she be going to?
We all know I have a sister, a younger sister that stays in Asaba. I don't think she will object if I ask her for Lillian to come and spend some time with her.
Well, tell your sister that Lillian is coming to stay with her permanently, not just ordinary visit.
It's okay. Junior, go and bring my bag. Let me give you money to buy MTN card for me so I can make the call.
Papa, I think my suggestion is right.
Let's only calculate this year that is
Hey!
Who bought it for you?
My Oga.
Hi! That your guy is such a good man. I've never seen any Oga that takes care of his gate man like that.
You never see anything. I've not seen in this area. I've not seen any Oga will be like this, my Oga.
Hey, the man is so nice.
You want too much. You want too much.
I like the food. It's so fine.
Yeah, I like it too.
Ooh!
Welcome, man.
It's all like it. Are you sure you didn't do anything?
I didn't do anything, no. I didn't do anything to him.
What is his problem?
I don't know, because I noticed this is character since my Oga bought this phone for me.
Could it be that he is jealous?
I don't know. But what I know is that, short, I don't care about anything that he's doing. So.
Ha! You have to care.
For what?
You have to care. That is your Oga's younger brother.
And
you
so?
have to care.
And so? I beg, leave him. He can't do anything. He's not going to do anything.
Do you know that this guy can actually engineer your Oga to sack you?
This guy will not do anything. See, I'm here for his brother, not him. Yes, now.
Okay, baby. See, leave him. Just leave him. The phone, I like it.
I know, me, I like it too. Yes,
Baby, that's really beautiful. Stop.
Mike, or whatever you call yourself, I don't want to know your name because your name can even infect poverty to me. Let me warn you, stay away from my daughter. Stay away from her before you infect her with your poverty. Because other men like you are in the city making money. You are here selling Indomie, one naira Indomie. I got married Indomie 1 naira to say I want egg. You know, while others are hustling. Is it not men like you that are e-money? Buhari, Josmark, Dangote, Abraham Walkie Beggy. You know, never near me this in a Indomie. Cheluka Mwage. Stay away from my daughter. I think stay away from her. If I see you anywhere around her, if you get Meggy, just stay away from her before you infect her with your poverty. I'm not here. No, ever near Indomie 1 naira. You begging on a hustler. Let me just see you near my daughter. You got 50.
You see, the game of love It's just like a fire. It keep a burning until it burn itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire.
Lilian, your mother and I have been thinking of a solution to remedy your situation, and we have come to a conclusion that it is better you leave Fasaba. At least you look for something doing so that you help us to train your younger brother. You know, he left in senior secondary school. He could not continue because we cannot train both of you.
Who am I going to live with in the city?
That is not a problem. I have already discussed with my sister who lives in the city, and she said you can come whenever you are ready.
When do you want me to go?
Oh well, as soon as you are ready, we are ready too.
In that case, I'll leave in a few days.
That will be okay. At least I'll have the time to prepare some things and arrange some things I'll give to my sister.
Can I go now?
Oh, sure, you can.
She accepted without any objection.
She has no choice.
Exactly.
But I think,
honestly, I'm not sure.
So, Mike, have you gotten a place to stay when you get to your destination?
I've contacted a friend that stays in the city, you know. He asked me to come and stay with him, but I didn't plan to stay there forever. I will get a place once I have something doing, you know. I need to prove to William's family. I need to prove to them that I can make it. I need to surprise them.
Yeah. Yes. Because it's the only challenge that makes a man to stand. This is the point where you see Lilian as your own challenge.
I just have to shut the mouth of my doubters, my enemies. You understand? And for them, very soon, they wish they have somebody like me in their family.
See, listen, Mike, I love your confidence. Now, I've always believed in your ability. I believe in you all the time.
Yeah. Jude, I just want to thank you. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your thoughtfulness. I know you've really encouraged me. You know, I appreciate you so much.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you. I believe God will see you through. Kandina Maggie, we malo. Yes.
Of course, you're right.
But this your friend you're talking about. Who is he?
Okay, he's from my maternal home. He's not just a friend anyway.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You know, I'm asking because most of these city boys, I don't trust them.
No. This one is different. The different guy. If you
say so.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ever ready.
Tinye ego na
Biakaije Jimego, you will go Biakaije.
Hold on, how much has in that? Because I'm going to mess you up today. Mbachago mwata ini we na choose yes na. Ma for ma habu na me na.
Etefu na ogo adoro mma.
Hey! Hey! You, come here. And be fast about it.
Why are you wasting? Huh?
Shut up your mouth! Are you mad? Oh, so because my brother bought you a new phone, you no longer know your duties in this compound, right?
Sir, with due respect, I don't know why your attitude changed towards me. What did I do to you? You're very stupid.
Oh yes, very, very, very stupid. Now, look at me. Do you think we have anything in common? Huh? I guess it's high time I cut off that relationship that makes you overstep your boundaries in this compound. So you can know your position in this house. A common gate man. That is who you are. What did I say?
A common gate man.
Again?
A common gate man.
Louder.
A common gate man.
And your job ends at the gate. Alright?
I think you need rest.
What? Come here! I'm not done with you, you bastard! Come here! You bastard! Come here! Come here! Huh? Are you mad?
You slap me.
You have to listen to what I have to tell you. You know I am your mother. I will never and can never mislead you. Your father and I, we suffered a lot in order to make sure we train you at the university. So that you have to bring an end to our suffering. Remember your brother. He is now your responsibility. We, your parents, we are your responsibility. As you're about going to the city now, I would not like you to mingle with men of low class. Ndị na-amara ife a na-akọ. Ndị dịka Ogolo the drunkard. This riffraff, Mike. Please, I don't want you to mingle with such people. But you see men of higher caliber. Ndị kwọche mma ihe a na-akọ. Men like Dangote, Money, Josmark, Buhari, and even if it's possible, Bill Gates. Sige je chọta ha. No bụ nwa agbọghọ ibe gị na ka ha na-alụ nọ. I nwere ife niile a chọrọ n'Enugu. Ike road azụ dịkwa. Ịkwọ n'ochem. All these men, they are there for you. They grab one hand with her and make us smile. My daughter, it will be good if you do so. Is that all you want me to do? Yes, but see, if you go there, remember where you come from. You see all those girls in the cities, they are all corrupt and spoiled. I would not like you to mingle with them at all. Those girls, mba, famaro hianalo. But obrokwana na elezie ga anya. Ele adazi elu okwochem. Ebiakwa na adazi mgbada okwukwachem. Nnem. Were ni fa chukwu ji chọọ gị mma. Were ya butere anya ego no. Make money like e-money. Were ya bịa cheta. If you bring a man that will build mansion for us, is it a bad thing? Will it be bad? Mba no. Omande njọ. Somebody that will buy limousine for us, Ferrari, even private jet. No ga sono. I nwere ife niile no. Adukum, asomam. Nwa Chukwu chọrọ mma. Were n'ife a Chukwu ji chọọ gị mma, chọkwa n'anya nwa mma, butere anyị ihe. Put a smile on your face, Asam. Ọmalịcha mo.
If you do as I told you, it will be good for you. I'm not comfortable the way Lillian accepted our decision, even when she's not too comfortable with it. I suspect she has an ulterior motive.
No, I don't think so. She's just frustrated and doesn't know any other decision to take on her own. That's it.
Even when I was advising her, she was just quiet, only nodding at me, unlike her.
Don't get yourself worked up. Just relax. She has no other thing in mind. We have just defeated her.
Anyway, I've told my sister everything about her relationship with Mike, in case someone like Mike comes to see her or comes to look for her.
That's a good idea. It's a good one, but I would advise you relax. We have defeated her. Hey, Mary, Mary.
Correct, Mr. Kwon. May it be so. But I suspect so.
Hey! Hey! Owen! 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 What's the problem? I've been calling you since why can't you say your name? Today! You want to fight me? You want to kill me, Abi? You want to kill me today? Okay, you want to fight me? Owen! 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 Can I? Okay! Today! This is my brother's household! Come! You're doing this to me! I will go. My brother was there this year. I will let him. You are sacked! You're defending me. Brother! Wait. My because I've been keeping quiet.
Michael, for the past few days you have been like this. You have not been yourself. Just for this particular girl. Michael, if you continue like this, don't you think it will affect you?
Mama, I love Lillian. And she loves me too. Mama, I can't do without her. I can't live without her.
I know. I know you love her and she loves you too. But you should not kill yourself for her.
Mama, you should just understand me.
Mama, okay,
Okay, I'll be going. I'll join you shortly.
Okay, I'm off.
Okay, later, eh?
Thank you.
Just like as I was saying, you can have a perfect life. A perfect life without Lillian. From the look of things, it is obvious you and Lillian are not meant to be together.
Mama, I disagree with you. Lillian and I are meant for each other. We are meant for each other. God has reason for that. Yes, even her parents know that. But their only reason is that just because I'm poor, that I don't have money.
Michael, money will come. Michael, you will have money and have money. In fact, the entire community will respect you for the kind of money you have.
Amen.
But the only thing I'm saying is that you should give this relationship a break for now, so that you can have yourself and live your life. Eh? Give it a break. Biko.
See, you're having fun with your new phone.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Have fun.
To your face.
It's not that's a useless gate man.
What happened?
Bro, nothing, no. Eh? Nothing. Just look at my face, eh?
I know, I'm seeing your face. That is why I'm asking what happened. I'm not a child, you know. Something must have prompted this.
Okay. You're not saying that I'm lying, Abby?
No, it's not what I'm saying. I didn't say you're lying. I'm just asking what happened. You know what? Go and call him.
Owen! 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 My breast calling to pick a sachet. Begu! Go to the where is
Sincerely, don't go tell your brother.
Why not go tell her? Come on.
First of all, I want to know who and when you sold your manners. I mean, what gave you the zeal to slap my brother? Have you lost it?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. Sir, I'm sorry about that. It wasn't intentional.
Will you shut up? What do you mean it wasn't intentional? You did this to my brother and you're telling me to my face that it wasn't intentional.
Sir, I was here playing music with the phone you bought me. The next thing he came and slapped me. Just like that. I didn't do anything to you.
Is that true? No, what he just said now, is it what happened? I'm talking to you, are you deaf? Oh, you can't talk again. Go. So, you were the one that slapped him first. Well, you gave me the impression that you did nothing to him.
Brother,
Will you shut up? Have you lost it? Why in heaven's name will you slap him? Since I implored him to this house, have I slapped him? What is your problem? Now listen and listen good. This will be the last time it will ever happen in this house. My friend, get out of my sight. you're angry because I got a phone for him. Being unnecessarily jealous because I bought him a phone. Owen!
Sir!
Now, if such thing happens in this house again, don't take laws into your hands. Wait for me to come back and report to me.
Okay, sir. He blew.
My friend, get out.
Okay, sir. I'm coming. Who's that?
Good day.
Yeah, good day.
He's not around.
Oh no, it's not in.
Okay. Please help me tell him I came to check on him.
Problem. Excuse me. I would like to discuss something with you. Hope you don't mind.
Okay, and what could that be?
Private.
Private.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shall we?
Sure.
But wait. Don't make me believe you still have something to do with that common gate man. Vivian, have you ever looked at yourself in a standing mirror? Because the first day I saw you, I thought you were the gate man's sister. Huh? I am even ashamed of myself as I'm talking to you right now. Because people of my caliber shouldn't be seen talking to a girl who descends solo for that riffraff. Anyway, I don't blame you because I know you're under a spell.
I am not under a spell.
How could you have accepted that guy with your clear eyes if you're not under a spell?
I didn't accept it with my clear eyes, though. Something happened.
I don't care to know what happened.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, has he ever touched you? I guess the answer is yes.
Wait, don't go. Okay, yes. But just once, oh. Once.
Were you drunk?
No.
Did you enjoy it?
No. But...
But what? There is no but. Vivian, no but. Listen, you are a beautiful girl. A pretty damsel. Eh? How could you have descended so low for that riffraff who can't even bat himself properly? And you were comfortably pulling your clothes for that riffraff to mount on you. Anyway, Vivian, I don't think I can have anything to do with you anymore.
Please now, wait. Please now. See, you're the kind of man I've always dreamt of. Just that you never looked towards my direction.
Really? Okay. Vivian. I will make you my one and only. And also provide you with all the necessary things you need. But only on one condition.
What's the condition?
Follow me. Come on.
Okay, I'll call you in the next 1 minute. Come on, lad. Just go there first.
I would like to talk to you.
To the house. Yeah, before you get there, I'll sort it out.
You say what? Our strike has been called off. So I'll be going back to school in a week time.
A week? Why not today or tomorrow? If it's about money, I can give you money to buy everything you need for going back to school.
Brother, our school resumes fully in a week time. And I don't want to go back to school and I'll start walking around the school compound. Like someone who does not have a place to stay.
Okay, it's alright, it's well. The truth is that I'm even happy this whole thing is happening at the same time. Because my leave will be called off in 2 weeks' time. Just that I'm worried. If I leave now, back to work, what will become of this house? I mean, can you stay here with my gatesman? Or can my gatesman stay here with you? I don't know.